Hello there, my young friend. Are you interested in becoming a content creator? That's great news because creating online content is an important skill that can help you connect with others and share your ideas. Firstly, let's understand what content means. Content refers to any material created to communicate information or ideas. It can be anything from blog posts, social media updates, videos or podcasts. The importance of content is that it helps people find the information they need while also allowing creators to express themselves creatively. To become a successful content creator for various niches like e-commerce, health and wellness, digital marketing and tourism, here are some tips. 1. Identify your niche. To get started as a content creator, determining which industry/field you want to specialize within will help narrow down topics on which you will base your output. 2. Research. Once identified, research by reading books/articles/blogs/ watching video tutorials or attending webinars/seminars/training sessions related specifically towards the niche market segment chosen earlier. 3. Create high-quality content, as mentioned earlier, in order for readers/viewers/listeners/etc. to engage effectively with your work. Ensuring high-quality materials, whether written, visual/audio-based, are essential components. 4th, optimize your work utilizing SEO techniques. SEO stands for search engine optimization, where techniques used ensure higher visibility through search engines such as Google/Bing/Yahoo/etc., resulting in more traffic coming towards one's website/blog/social media platforms. This can involve using specific keywords/phrases strategically placed throughout writing pieces, along with other optimization tactics aimed at improving rankings within SERPs, search engine results pages. 5th, promote yourself across various channels. Finally, promoting across multiple channels, such as social media networks like Facebook/Instagram/Twitter/YouTube/etc. Email campaigns and influencer network participation is key in getting the word out there. Skills required include: first, writing skills, strong writing abilities to create engaging content. Second, creativity, ability to come up with unique and innovative ideas for content creation. Third, research skills, researching topics within the niche market segment chosen earlier. Fourth, time management, juggling multiple projects/assignments/tasks simultaneously efficiently. Fifth, communication, effective communication skills both online and offline when interacting with potential clients/partners/suppliers/etc. To promote yourself as a content creator, it is important that you build an online presence through social media profiles, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. You can also start your own website or blog where you can share your work and connect with others in your industry. In conclusion, becoming a successful content creator requires identifying one's niche market segment, followed by thorough research on various related topics within said field of expertise being utilized while creating high-quality visual/written materials optimized for SEO purposes, along with networking opportunities leveraged throughout different channels such as social media/email/influencer groups will allow any aspiring individual interested in becoming involved within either e-commerce/health and wellness/digital marketing/tourism industries to achieve success and grow their brand.